Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another Woof Wix haul. I have ordered from this vendor several times now, and yeah, I missed the last restock, which was their Carnival, like their Carnival type blends, and I really wanted to get in on that, but I don't know, doing graduation stuff or something, and I didn't get a chance to order. But then I saw that they had re-poured some of the scents that I had wanted, so I went ahead and just went in to see what they still had left over and grabbed a few things. So we'll go ahead and just dive right into this. Okay. This is going to be kind of messy because I already opened it, and yeah, she sends everything, or they send everything in a box. I usually almost always get these small, what are these? The 7x7x6s, priority mailboxes. So that is my card. I bent the hell out of the card on accident. So there are samples in here. Let's see. Let me get to the note. They just send a note, which I always appreciate because they handwrite a note, so you can kind of just read it there. Amber and Steven are the owners. So there's that. And so I noticed that on my receipt this time that it had all the scent notes. So I was like, cool, because before I was going to do this video, I was like, oh crap, I don't remember what's in any of these. So the first one I have is a Paw and Bone in Doughboy, and this is deep fried dough, cinnamon sugar, and powdered sugar. This is one that I really wanted, that I was sad I missed out on, and I think this is one of the ones that they re-poured. This one is so good. I love when people do like a dough type of scent. Oh, this one smells so good. It's like a, I don't know, I feel like I've had it from another vendor, but it's kind of got a little bit of this, the cinnamon, not heavy cinnamon, it's more like the bakery cinnamon, and then the dough scent. And then I did grab two of those. So these look pretty much the same. They're just opposite, placed opposite in the bag there. Okay, the next one I grabbed, let's see if I can find it. Somehow oh, wait a second. Oh, gosh, I am dumb. Okay, well, that was stupid. So I did grab two, or actually it's one, but they sell them as a 2-pack of pie crust. I love pie crust. I love it in single notes. Just pie crust in general is a good blender. It always smells really good and fresh, not fresh. What am I talking about? Like a fresh, when I say fresh, I mean like fresh out of the oven type of pie crust. Their scent shot cups are so like solid, it's hard to get the wax even out. I like to dump it out and smell it like this. I don't know why I do that. Yeah, but this is like, I mean, I've had this in mini melters and potion packs and stuff, and like pie crust smells pretty similar to me all around. This is just a really good scent if you want like a really nice bakery. I have worn pie crust on its own, not from this vendor, but from another vendor, and it smells delicious on its own. You can totally do that one by itself. The other one I got is this one here, and they also put like their scent shots. I cut into it so it looks messy, but they put them in these little bags so that they like kind of stay together in transit. And the next one I got is Carnival Zoomies, and that is cute. I always try to look at their labels because I enjoy looking at their labels. So this is saltwater taffy, kettle corn, and marshmallow. I don't think I smelled this one. I think I missed it when I was smelling my package. Kind of have to just pop it out of the scent shot cup. Oh, that smells good. That's like a, kind of reminds me of like a circus concession, but I like this a lot. Some circus concessions I don't like because of the, what is the scent in there that they put? That kind of turns me off from circus concession. I can't think of what it is right now. Dang. Okay, but anyways, that's a good one. That is really nice. Okay, the next one I grabbed is, let's see, I only grabbed one of this. I grabbed Carnival Bread. I love bread scents. Some of my favorite scents are bread notes. This is caramel apple bread and funnel cake bites. And what's that? Oh, this is good. This is real good. Oh, this is like fall perfection, but it's almost not so fall that you can warm this anytime, but it would like lend towards like a fall scent, but something about it kind of keeps it maybe more like a summer type scent as well. So that one smells really yummy. And then the next one I got is, for some reason, I don't really know what I was thinking, but I grabbed I grabbed 2 of the Raven. I wasn't trying to grab 2, but I think I accidentally did. And then I got in a hurry and then I checked out. But the Raven is, and I love the way they did the Raven in the back of the Husky. That's cute. This is coffee, French bread, and spicy chocolate. This smells very similar to another vendor had something similar, and I can't think of what the name of the scent was. And I remember I wanted to like hoard it, but I couldn't find it because the vendor wasn't pouring it, but this is like pretty close. And I'm gonna sneeze. Hey, achoo! Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so this is, I don't know why I sneeze. All of a sudden I have this sneezes now. I love anything with French bread, especially coffee. This just smells so good. And the spicy chocolate is not how you would think. It's like a, I don't know, you know, it's not even really, like if you're not a chocolate lover, like I wouldn't let this one deter you away. This one smells really good. I like this one a lot. So I'll give a better warm review when I warm it, but you guys know how stuff is on cold. Okay, and the next one I grabbed is Lenny's Apple Bread. So this one came in a 4-pack. I think this was the only one that they had available. They do different like sizes and shapes, and I think sometimes like the only thing that's left will be like a clamshell or like the 4-packs. So this is Lenny's Apple Bread, and I love the label again. So this is apple, cornbread muffins, zucchini bread, and sugar cookies. I love all those things, again with the bready notes. Even though cornbread is kind of a different, let's see if I can get this out. Man, these Scent Shop cups are super like hard. Oh, that smells good. Man, they like really nailed this. Not, I mean, the whole restock that they did. I didn't even grab everything, but oh, they really got some great bakery scents in this one for sure. Like I'm talking about the whole restock that they did as far as the Carnival stuff. This Lenny's Apple Bread may not be a new scent either. It may not be Carnival related, but it smells Carnival related to me. Oh, it's just the right amount of cornbread and zucchini bread. And not too much apple. I love that. I love it when vendors don't overdo it on the apple, because like apple for me can quickly become the dominant scent. This one to me is not about the apples at all. So that's awesome, because I have kind of a love-hate with apples sometimes. Sometimes I'm all over it and sometimes I am not. So there's that. Okay, I already showed that. And then, let's see. I got, let's see, did I order? Oh wait, there's another Lenny's Apple Bread. Oh, wait a second. Did I? Oh yeah, okay. So I did get 2 samples. I got Fluffy's gummies, which I have no idea. How cute are those gummy bears? That's adorable. Aw. Okay. This one, I have no idea what the scent notes are. Okay, I had no idea. This one smells sweet. Maybe kind of, I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna, maybe like maybe it is like the candy since it's called gummies. Maybe like gummy bear type of scent. That's kind of maybe what I'm smelling, but I'm not sure. So sorry about that. And then Blues Bites, which is, it looks like cotton candy, and it looks like there's ice cream, maybe. Maybe the label will give me hints as to what's in here. Maybe Blues Bites is like blue cotton candy and maybe ice cream or something. Oh, that smells really good. I'm almost getting like I don't know. I don't want to say. I always feel like I say what I think it is, and then like if I'm totally off, I feel dumb. So I just, I feel like it's better just not to say it. I almost, like, I feel like I'm getting maybe a bit of a popcorn in there. Like kind of something salty, but not overly salty. I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. So Blues Bites. That one smells good though. I like that one. Okay, so that is my order. Totally loving my order. Totally happy with this purchase. This is probably my 4th or 5th order. I have another Woof Wix haul that I haven't put on, like it's uploaded, but I haven't put it on the, I'm trying to get this to focus. I don't know why it doesn't want to, but anyways, I just haven't like made it public yet. So hopefully that'll be coming soon. But anyways, okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it. Check out Woof Wix if you haven't. They have a lot of fun stuff. It's like an easy restock to order from. You don't have to order huge quantities of anything. And yeah, I just really like them so far. So, and so far everything that I've warmed, which hasn't been much, I am going through and doing like a little bit of a series where I'm going through each vendor and doing like a, just like testing out wax after it's like kind of cured for a month, to see how it does and kind of report back on what I think. I'm calling it, it's a wax collab with Wax Goddess, who is Angie, and we are both doing like new vendors that we've tried. I'm calling it Vendor Quickies or Quickie, oh shoot, I don't even know. It's my own thing and I don't even know what I'm calling it, but she has her, we have like a similar name, and then I just called it Quickie Review or Vendor Quickies. Okay, enough about that. You guys don't care. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.